It used to be very slow. I don't know if the batteries are going down. I haven't charged them for ages. It does. Holding well in the wind.
It's really windy.
Yeah, it really is windy. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. That is got a bit of a tail wag. You just get this on my phone as well if I can. Eh? Oh, that's a nice takeoff. Here we go. Pretty fast about it, isn't it? I think I've got that more or less sussed out now. It's still quite scary flying it. It's very windy though, isn't it?
You fly over there and back now, look.
Eh?
Fly over there and back now.
No. I don't know how long the battery's going to last, I really don't. I haven't charged them at all. I think it's going to go, I think it's going to come down in a minute. How long have we been going?
I don't know, I've done a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes.
10 minutes, I think that's probably enough.